How to turn on or off videos downloads. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off videos downloads on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, just click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is privacy, and here you can scroll down and click on downloads. Videos downloads, make sure to turn on or off this option wherever you want to allow other people to download your videos and share downloads to their platforms. So this is it guys, so easy and quick like I told you. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.